as the title suggests, I want to tell you how to make a trial balance entry on Excel. First, we must use a blank Excel worksheet to create the trial balance sheet. Then, highlight the column and click the Merge and Center button to combine the column as we need. After that, we're going to put the company name as Prima Jaya Abadi. After that, we're going to have the name of statement, and in this case, we're making a trial balance. Do the same things again, and then we're going to put the date that we're making the trial balance. And the last transaction that we had was on May 2017. So we're going to make the trial balance of that date. Usually it's the last day of the month. In row A, add the titles for each column is account name. And then debit in column B and credit in column C. After that, arrange the columns according to what we need. After that, highlight the column of debit and credit and choose General and click Accounting. So now we're going to list out the account names and the balance. Before that, let's look at the transaction records on the T account. So first, I have a cash on debit. It is 312,400,000 rupiah. So next is account receivable. It is on debit of 0 rupiah. Office supplies on debit of 18 million rupiah. Next is office equipment on debit of 40 million rupiah. Then is payable on credit of 26 million rupiah. So next is capital on credit. It is 400 million rupiah. After that, purchase on debit. It is 15,600,000 rupiah. So next is price on debit of 4 million rupiah. So next is sales on credit of 114 million rupiah. And then is salary expense. It is on debit of 5,200,000 rupiah. Advertising expense on debit of 3,800,000 rupiah. And next is freight expense. It is on debit of 600,000 rupiah. So now we can total them up, and I use a formula that is sum, and don't forget to highlight all of the value of debit column, and don't forget to click enter, and the total is 540 million rupiah. So we can do the same things with credit column with some formula. Don't forget to highlight all the value of credit column. And yes, it is 540 million rupiah. So after that, don't forget to highlight all of the column and click borders button and choose all borders. So after that, highlight the totals column and choose bold button to make the selected text bold. So that's how we prepare a trial balance. Don't forget to save as your file. That's all, and thank you. Goodbye.